welcome back to my channel. Very excited for this vlog today. We are actually going to London in 2 days. So I'll be packing today and putting together some outfits. I also have a fall haul to share with you. I think fall is such a nice time for fashion and I love it. It is one of my favorite times of the year, including spring and summer. Like, that's obviously so nice. I love that kind of in-between weather when it's still like not too cold but a little chilly. It's still nice and green from the summer and you have those kind of like warmer afternoons, but then it's really nice to, you know, layer with jackets, start wearing boots again, and some nice like chunkier pieces like this kind of a jacket that I have on. This is also something new that I got, and I found a few other things that are so nice. I'm so excited about them, so I will of course make sure to have everything linked for you guys down below. Since we're going to be in London, I will also be touching up my brows with my friend Naz Hassan. You guys know I have been microblading my brows with her for the past few years. I actually haven't done it in about 3 years now, I think it's been about 3 years. For the amount of products and treatments that I do on my skin, I'm actually really surprised that they have stayed this good. I do have a little bit of brow powder in my brows right now, but in general, you guys see when I'm not wearing any makeup, like in the evenings, they still look really, really good. So yeah, they're not like, we don't have to do too much, but there are a few parts that I just want to touch up and refresh. So we're gonna do that. And yeah, we have another few really good friends in London as well. So I'm very excited for this weekend. Before we get into the haul, I wanna say a huge thank you to ExpressVPN for working with me on this video. This is something that I will also be using in London, something that I use at home as well, but especially when we travel. The reason I love it for when we travel is basically every time you connect to an unencrypted Wi-Fi network, like at an airport, a hotel, a coffee shop, your information and your privacy is at risk. So ExpressVPN will encrypt your internet connection using the highest standards of encryption available, and that makes your internet surfing a lot safer and a lot more private. The second reason I really love using a VPN is for the content unblocking. So you can get unrestricted access to all parts of the internet. So basically how it works is you just go on their app and you can choose which geographical internet connection you want to connect with, and you can basically surf as if you're in that country. So this is especially really helpful for me. I live in Europe, but there are certain TV shows and networks that are only available in the US. So if you connect to a US network, you can watch and stream shows from over there. So I love that. Plus you can just browse or shop online or download anything that you like with a lot more peace of mind, knowing that your safety and security and your private information is safe thanks to ExpressVPN. Plus their pricing is really good. It is less than $7 a month, and that includes a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So take back your internet privacy today and click the link down below to find out how you can get 3 months for free. I will also have the link for you here on the screen, and again, I will have it down below in the description box. Okay, so moving on to the haul. This is one of the first pieces I got. I love it so much. This is something that I think is definitely like quite trendy at the moment, this kind of style, but it's in this beautiful classic black color. So I feel like this is something that is going to be more of a classic. I haven't really figured out what bra to wear though underneath. So right now I'm just wearing this little black cotton bralette. You see it just a little bit, but I don't think it's too noticeable. And it's very comfy as well. This is from Revolve. And then I paired it with these beautiful new jeans from Zara. I believe these are their mom style fit, or maybe their straight leg design. I'm not entirely sure, but I will of course make sure to have them linked for you guys down below. But I really love the fit of these. They have a nice like relaxed, not too tight feeling. I might get them taken in a little bit at the waist because they are a little bit loose here, as you can see, but I also don't like when jeans are too tight on the leg, and that is something that I love to do with denim, to just really make them fit perfectly to my body, because, you know, we're not all the same. You know, it's impossible to design clothes for every body shape, so I think that's really important to do. And then I paired it with my black Chanel boots that you guys have seen before. Really, really love these. And then of course my black Chanel handbag and some gold Misoma jewelry. I love this look so much. I also found this really great simple white tee. It's not always easy to find good basics like this, and this one actually fits really nice. I like the fabric a lot as well. It's kind of like a thicker cotton, and the fit is really nice as well. It's kind of more like a boxy style t-shirt, so it works really great just tucked into jeans like this. Like, it's not too long, but it's also not so cropped that you can't have the option to tuck it in. So I really like this. Again, I love pairing simple shirts like this with some gold jewelry, and then of course you can pair it with jeans or even skirts. Just a really great basic. So I'm very happy that I found this. This is from Zara, in case I didn't mention that, and it is in a size small. I will make sure to have the sizing of everything that I got as well down below in the description box. Next, I want to show you some really cool jackets that I found. These are kind of like oversized jacket shirts, definitely very menswear inspired. This piece is from H&M. I absolutely love it. It is the perfect oversized look, but you're not drowning in it. You know, there's still some kind of structure to it, and the fabric and the quality is actually really nice. It's a little bit more lightweight, so it's great for one of those, you know, fall days where it's not very cold, but it's not too hot. You just need something little on your shoulders. I think this is so nice. This is another one I found at H&M. This is the one that I was wearing earlier. I love the color of this. It's this beautiful, soft kind of sage green. So pretty. And the fabric is really nice as well. It's kind of like a fleecy kind of fabric. Really cool. I love the button details as well, and the large pockets. Again, it's got this beautiful oversized look to it, and I think jackets like this paired with something a little bit more fitted underneath, like a simple tank top and some jeans, I think it just looks like so cool and effortless, and it's of course incredibly comfortable as well. I love this oversized trend. I also got this gray kind of oversized jacket as well, similar style to the other ones. This is also in this really cool like fleecy kind of material, a little bit denser, so I feel like this is something that would actually really keep you warm, like if it's a chilly fall day. I do still have the tag on though, because I'm not 100% sure yet if I want to keep it. The black buttons are kind of throwing me off. I don't know about you guys. What do you think? I do think it's kind of cool though, because you can tie this here at your waist, and I was thinking this with maybe some black skinny jeans that could maybe look really cool, and then some black boots, and then keep it like all black and gray. That's kind of my thought process right now, so maybe I will try that on and see how it looks. But yeah, that's why the tag is still on. Underneath that, I have this really cool gray bodysuit top. This is from Revolve. I wore this in my most recent Q&A that went up on Sunday, and this is a really cool top. I like the kind of asymmetrical design of this. I'm not wearing the right bra, so that's kind of like peeking through a little, but I do think it's very cute. The fabric is really nice. It's super soft. I love the ribbed fabric, and I thought it would be really cool to have to wear underneath like a bigger jacket like this. Okay, I've just tried this jacket on in a few different ways and actually really like it like this. So with black skinny jeans, and then either with some black pumps like this. These are from Gian Vitorossi. I really love them. They're very comfy and just a perfect like classic black pump. Or I think they would of course really look good with the boots as well, so just black on black. And then this jacket just tied at the waist. This is a black little sports bra actually from Fabletics. It's the Kinsley bra, which you guys probably know I love. So I think this is actually a really cool look, even something that you could wear for a dinner. So yeah, I much prefer it styled this way. I just wanted to show you guys a different option. Next up is this incredible blazer, again in this very beautiful soft kind of minty sage green. I love the color so much, and I think the gold accent on this is so fun as well, and I love the wider kind of lapel here. It does also have this cool structuring around the shoulder, so kind of has like 80s vibe to it, which I think is always fun. I think this is really cool for a transitional look between you know, summer and fall. You still have a little bit of color going on. It's a little bit of a lighter color palette. Really nice for those days where, again, it's not like freezing, but you do still need something on your shoulders. And I really like this paired with something lighter on the bottom, and then of course some white sneakers. These are so classic. This is actually something else that I got new for fall. They are the same Superga sneakers that you guys have seen before, but just a new pair because, you know, obviously with rain and weather, you know, they do tend to get pretty dirty, but because they are pretty affordable, I think they're around $30 or $40 on Amazon. So they are, of course, way more affordable than like a designer shoe. And I think for white sneakers like this, again, that do tend to get pretty dirty quickly, I do like to have a more affordable option that I can get, you know, a couple of times a year, and they stay looking nice and fresh. So that's my theory on white sneakers. Anyway, getting back to the jacket, I absolutely love it, would highly recommend it. I love the fit as well, and the gold accents are really fun since I always wear gold jewelry, so I love how that kind of like ties in. Okay, these next two items are both from H&M. It's a white shirt, which is quite oversized, kind of has like a boyfriend feel to it, and then this really cool sweater. This is actually really soft, and the color is of course so beautiful. It's like a nice beigey gray, and I really like it layered over this shirt. So of course this shirt is something that you could wear by itself. They don't come together or anything, but I did get both of these to style like this, and then these are the same jeans from Zara that I showed you earlier, and the same white sneakers from Superga. But I really love this. I think it's really cool. Again, so comfortable. This sweater does also come in this really beautiful green color, which I actually ordered, but it had a little stain on it, so I am gonna return that one. But I do really like this color as well, so I'm keeping this. Also from H&M is this really great jogger set. I think this is a really amazing find at H&M. The quality is beautiful, the color and the fit, everything just feels really luxe with this set. The sweater I got in size small and the bottoms in a medium, and they are a little bit, you know, on the loose side, but size small was just a little bit too snug for my liking. So I decided to go for the mediums, and they do have a little bit of an extra kind of loose fit, but I really don't mind. I think it's actually quite cool. And then the sweater does have a little bit of an oversized feel as well, but this is a small, so this is like what it's supposed to look like. It's nice though that they are drawstring, so you can adjust it to your own waist. I think that's always very helpful. Okay, and then the last thing I got, I really love. It's this beautiful long puffer vest. Not really sure if this goes so well with this look, but I really like it. I think this is another great thing to have for fall or even spring, of course, when again it's cold, but you don't necessarily need like a full-on jacket. I love vests like this, and I don't actually have any that are this length, and I pretty much wear my vest every single day I go for a walk, so it's nice to have something a little different, and again a little bit warmer since it is longer. And this is from Zara, by the way. I love the gold details. It's got little pockets as well, which is very convenient, and it's just so cute and cozy. I love the color too. Just such a nice thing to have, and just outfit for running errands, grocery shopping, any like super early appointments. Just, you know, you want to feel nice and cozy but still a little bit put together. I think this is amazing for that. guys, it's the next day. I am packing. I also just washed my makeup brushes, as you guys saw, since we're leaving tomorrow. And I like traveling with clean brushes whenever I can remember to do it. So I did that, and now I'm just finalizing my outfits and everything I'm gonna bring. So we're going for a long weekend, so we're gonna be there for about 4 days. So when we do a shorter trip like that, I prefer to have my outfits planned so that I'm not bringing a lot of extra things. This way I also just feel better knowing that, you know, I have my outfits ready. So these are my little piles of ready outfits. These ones you guys saw, the blazer, that's the black cardigan, the white tee, and the jeans. A few dresses here for evenings out and some other looks. And then I'm bringing my black leather jacket. This has gold details on it. I really like this one. It's from Massimo Dutti, but I got it I think 3 years ago now. But of course, something like this is so great for fall because you can layer on top of, you know, some more like summery dresses. And now I'm just going to pop everything into these little packing cubes. You guys probably know I love these. They really make traveling so much easier, and I like that everything just kind of stays together. I don't even know what I was doing before I got these, so would highly recommend them. They are from Amazon. I will have them linked down below. How crazy is that? Everything fit into these 2 packing cubes, so not only does it keep your stuff more, you know, organized and together, it really minimizes the space in your luggage. It's so good. I'm very excited about a recent fragrance discovery from Replica. I was just about to pack these, so I wanted to show them to you guys. The first is Bubble Bath, which is this one over here. The fragrance description is comforting and clean accords, and I totally agree with that. It's so nice and refreshing, and there's something quite nostalgic about it as well. I really love it, would highly recommend. And then I also really like their coffee break fragrance, and the description of this is creamy and cozy coffee. And yes, there's a little bit of a coffee note in there, but not crazy. For me, it has this more kind of like warming and comforting scent. So unique and so beautiful. If you guys are looking for a good fall fragrance, then I definitely think this one, the coffee break, is a really good option. But I do also love the Bubble Bath. It's nice and refreshing and uplifting. So I've actually just been mixing these two, and that's been my fragrance at the moment. I know some of you guys were asking that in my recent Q&A as well, so that I would include it here. Just going to pop those in there. These are some face masks. I've got my hair stuff in here, little hairspray, brush, and my curling wand, a little clip. I try to use these more than hair ties since these don't give you a lot of kinks in your hair. And then in this one over here, I've got my mini skincare, contact lens solution, toner, some Q-tips, and other little things. And then makeup I will pack tomorrow before we go, along with my electronics. I think I have everything. I did my underwear as well, like my sleep stuff. I have to actually organize our transport for tomorrow to the airport, and I think that's it. I think I'm going to wrap up this video right now because I still want to edit this before we leave, and we leave in the morning. So I'm gonna do that right now so that this can go up on Sunday. Mo also has plans this evening, so I think I'm gonna do like a cozy night in, shower, do my skincare, maybe order some food. Anyway, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I probably won't have a video up on Wednesday, but there will be one on Sunday. So I will see you guys then. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.